Virat age is 3 times of Anushka. 3 times of Anushka. In 12 years, Virat age will be double the age of Anushka. Virat age, yes, Virat's present age is yes. What is the answer for this question?
C.
C. Great. What about, yes, 36, excellent. What about others? Yes. What about others? 36, excellent. Virat age is 3 times of Anushka. Virat, let's assume present age of Virat is V. Okay. Now 3 times of Anushka. 3 times of Anushka's present age is A. Okay. Now in 12 years, that is nothing but after 12 years, if their present ages of Virat is V years and Anushka is A. Okay. Now what about their ages after 12 years? Can anyone? What about their ages after 12 years?
Virat age is 3A plus 12.
3A plus 12, how it is possible? Present age of Virat is V and present age of Anushka is A. That is in 12 years, both will increase 12 years, right? Both will increase. V plus 12 and Anushka plus 12, A plus 12. Now Virat age will be double the age of Anushka. Virat age, that is V plus 12. Virat age will be double the age of Anushka in 12 years. That is after 12 years. Now can I write V equals to 3A in this equation? Yes. 3A plus 12 is equals to 2A plus 24. 3A minus 2A, A equals to 12. If A equals to 12, now what about present age of Virat? Yes. What about present age of Virat?
36.
Excellent. 12 into 3 will give the result as 36. Answer is 36, option C. Yes. Is this clear? Yes. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Yes. What about shortcut trick here? Shortcut trick that is Virat is 3 times of Anushka. Virat is 3 times of Anushka. All are related to Virat's present age. Now, can I say 3 times of Anushka? That is nothing but Virat is must be multiple of 3. Yes,
A
must
or
be
C only.
multiple. Excellent. Must be multiple of 3. Option B is eliminated and option D is eliminated. 32 will not come in 3 table and 40 will not come in 3 table. That is the reason option B and D is eliminated. Now what about option A and C? In 12 years, let assume Virat present age is 27. Now what about 12 years? Yes, can anyone after 12 years?
39.
Excellent. Plus 12 will give the result as 39 years. Now what he's saying, Virat age will be double the age of Anushka. Double. Must be the multiple of 2. Now 39 will come in 2 table. Yes. 39 will come in 2 table. No. Right. Can I eliminate option A? Yes. Excellent. Option A is eliminated. Now what about option C? Left of the option, that is option C. 36 in 12 years, 36 plus 12 will give the result as 48. Yes, 48 will come in 2 table. Answer is option C. Yes. Is this clear? Both the methods?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Moving forward to, yes, previous, how many questions are done? Yes, how many questions are done in previous? Can anyone? Yes. How many questions are done in previous? Yes. Okay. Can I start with question number 4? Or I have to start with question number 1? Yes, please. Can anyone tell me? Yes, Varshita, how many questions are done in previous?
Ma'am, we didn't do these questions. We did some other ones.
Other ones means, okay. Not this topic. Yes, this question is done, right? In previous? Tombstone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now what about practice question number 1?
Yes.
This is also done. Okay. Question number 2.
No, ma'am.
Yes. No. Okay. Let's try. Yes. Let's try with this question.
$12.
12 years. Excellent.
12 years.
What about this? Great. Yes. What about others? Let's assume brother age is X years. Okay. Sister and brother is 29 years. Sister and brother is 29 years. My assumption is brother's age is equals to X years. Now what about sister's age? Can anyone? What about sister's age?
29 minus X.
Yes, excellent. 29 minus X. Now what he is saying? 4 years ago, sister was 6 times the age of her brother. 4 years ago. Now what about sister's age 4 years ago? And what about brother's age 4 years ago? These are about present age of sister is 29 minus X and brother is X years. What about 4 years ago?
X minus 4 and 25 minus X.
Excellent. 29 minus X minus 4 is equals to 6 times 6 into the age of her brother. Age of her brother X minus 4 years ago. That is the reason X minus 4. Now 29 minus 4 will give the result as 25. Yes. How much? 25. Yes. 25 minus X is equals to 6X minus 24. Can I write 7x? Yes, 7x is equals to 49. 25 plus 24 will give the result as 49. X is equals to 7. If X is equals to 7, what he is asking? What will be the age of her brother after 5 years? Present age of brother is 7 years. This is the present age. Now what about after 5 years?
12.
Excellent. 7 plus 5 will give the result as 12 years. Answer is option A. 12 years. Yes. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Here, all the options are related to shortcut trick. All the options are related to brother's age. Right. Now, brother's age after 5 years. Brother's age after 5 years. Now, I'm going with option A. That is 12 years. Brother's age after 5 years is 12 years. Now, what about present age of brother? Can anyone?
7 years.
7. Excellent. After 5 years, brother's age is 12. Now, what about present age? That is 12 minus 5 will give the result as 7. If brother's age, present age of brother is 7, what about sister's age? Total
22.
sum is excellent. 22 plus 9 will give the result as 29. Yes. Now sister's age is 22 and brother is 7. 4 years ago, sister was 6 times the age of her brother. 4 years ago, minus 4 and here minus 4. What is 22 minus 4?
18.
18. Now what about 7 minus 4? 3. Now here what he is saying, sister age. Yes, this is sister's age. 6 times the age of her brother. Yes, 3 into 6 will give the result as 18. Tackled out. Can I fix my answer as option A? Yes, agree. Sister was 6 times the age of her brother. Yes, 6 times. 3 into 6 will give the result as 18. Yes, is this clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. What about others? Yes. What about others? Yes, please give me some response so that I can move forward.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. See, I'm asking twice and thrice, right? Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Moving forward to question number 3. Yes. What is the answer?
On the C part, 2.5 times.
Great. 2.5. What about others? Okay, let assume sun's present age is equals to x years. If sun's present age is equals to x years, now what about further? Can anyone? Yes.
3x.
How? 3 times more aged than his son. 3 times more aged. Yes. What about father?
3x.
X plus 3x.
Yes. Excellent. 3 times. If father is 3 times than his son, we can say 3x. But here he is saying that father is 3 times more aged. That is nothing but x plus 3x. 3x plus x will give the result as 4x. Now, what he is saying, if after 5 years, these are about present ages of son and father. Now, what about after 5 years? After 5 years, present ages x and 4x. After 5 years.
X plus 5 and 3 times of 4x plus 5.
3 times of 4x plus 5. Okay. These are about present ages x and x for son and 4x for father, right? After 5 years, x plus 5 and here after 5 years, 4x plus 5. Now he would be 3 times the age of his son. Yes, 3 times the age of his son. Who? Father. Father is after 5 years. Father is 3 times the age of his son. 3 into x plus 5. 4x plus 5 is equals to 3x plus 15. 4x minus 3x will give the result as x. 15 minus 5 will give the result as 10. If x is equals to 10, what about their present ages?
10 and 40.
Excellent. 10 and 40. Here father age is 40. And what about son's age? Son's age is equals to 10. And what he's saying? He's saying that then after 5 years. Here after 5 years and here further after 5 years. Total how many years?
10 years.
Excellent. 10. And here plus 10. Both will increase 10 years and 10 years, right? Here 50 and here 10. How many times? 2.5 times. Answer is option C. Yes, excellent. 2.5 times. Yes. Is this clear? Yes. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Moving forward to next question. Question number 4.
$32.5, option A.
32.5. Okay. 15 years older than Mohan. Older. Yes. What about others? Yes.
Ma'am, is it B, 27.5?
Great. Okay, let assume Mohan present age is equals to X years. Now what about Pavish present age? Can anyone?
X plus 15.
Yes. Excellent. Pavish present age is 15 years older than Mohan. That is X plus 15. Now what about their ages 5 years ago? Can anyone? 5 years ago. Their
X
ages
minus
5
5,
years.
X plus 10.
Excellent. X minus 5 and X plus 10. X plus 15 minus 5 will give the result as X plus 10. Now Pavish was 3 times as old as Mohan. Pavish was 3 times. Yes, Pavish is X plus 10. Excellent. X plus 10. 3 times of Mohan. 3 times of X minus 5. X plus 10 is equals to 3X minus 15. 3X minus X will give the result as 2X. 25. Now what about value of X? Value of
12.5.
X equals to 12.5. Now what he is asking? Then find the Pavish present age. Now what about Pavish present age?
27.5.
Excellent. 12.5 plus 15. It will give the result as 27.5. Answer is option B, 27.5. Yes. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Moving forward to next question. Question number 5. What is the answer for this question?
Option C, 13.3.
C, 13.3.
Great. 13.3. What about others?
13.3.
Excellent.
13.3.
Great. What is Akshay's present age if after 20 years his age will be 10 times his age 10 years back? Okay, let assume Akshay present age is equals to X years. If Akshay present age is equals to X years, now what about after 20 years?
X plus 20.
Excellent. X plus 20. After 20 years, his age will be 10 times his age 10 years back. What about 10 years back?
X minus 10.
X minus 10.
Yes. Excellent. X minus 10. X plus 20 is equals to 10x minus 100. 10x minus x will give the result as 9x. 100 plus 20 will give the result as 120. Now what about value of x? 120 divided by 9? 3 threes. Excellent. 40 divided by 3 will give the result as 13.3. Answer is option A. 13.3. See, I'm not going with option verification method because here the points are given, right? Somewhat quite complicated. That is the reason I'm not going with option verification method. Yes, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. What about others? Yes. What about others? Great. Moving forward to next question. Yes, already this question is done in question number 1. Moving forward to question number 7. Trapping answer is also there.
Option A, 11 by P plus 6.
Great.
Option A.
11 by P plus 6 years.
Excellent. Yes. What about others?
Option.
Great. If Aditi is now 17 years old, Aditi present age is 17 years. Now what about 6 years ago? Can anyone?
7 years.
7?
11.
11. Excellent. Yes. Present age is 17. 6 years ago will give the result as 11. Here the 11 years. Now Aditi was P times as old as Bhima. Aditi was 11 years. Aditi has 11 years 6 years ago. P times as old as Bhima. Yes, P into B. Now what about B? B is equals to 11 by P. Can I write? Yes,
Bhima
this
minus 6.
yes, excellent. Yes. Now can I write? Yes, this is talking about 6 years ago. Now what about 6 years hence? 6 years hence 11 by P plus 6 will give the result as option A. Answer is option A. Yes. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Excellent. Moving forward to question number 8. This is one of the best question. Let's see how many people will tell the answer.
Three, B option.
Great.
3.
Great. Yes. What about others? Okay, sum of present ages of Pooja and Quincy is given 41 years. Pooja and Quincy is 41 years. Now Pooja 2 years hence, age of Pooja 4 years hence, age of Pooja 4 years hence is equals to age of Quincy 1 year ago. Yes, age of Quincy 1 year ago. Now can I write P minus Q is equals to minus 5? Yes, minus 1 minus 4 will give the result as minus 5. Now P minus Q is equals to minus 5. Q is cancelled out. 2P is equals to how much? 41 minus 5. 36. Yes. What is 41 minus 5?
36.
Excellent. 36. Now here Pooja is 18 years. Yes. Now Pooja is 18 years. Now what about Quincy? Total age is 40. How much? 23?
23.
Excellent. 23. Some of the ages of Pooja and Quincy is 41 years. Right. Now Pooja I have calculated that is 18. Now total age is 41. 18 plus 23 will give the result as 41. Now here the ratio is given. Pooja and Shruti ratio is given. 3:4. Now Pooja age is equals to 18 years. Now what about Shruti? Ratio is given. How much?
24.
24. Excellent. Here how much I have to multiply? 3 parts is equals to 18. 3 into 6, 18. Now same, multiply here. 4 into 6 will give the result as 24. Shruti age is equals to 24 years. Now Pooja 2 years hence. Present age of Pooja is 18. Now Pooja 2 years hence. What about 2 years hence? Age of Pooja. Yes. Present age of Pooja is 18. Now what about 2 years hence? Hence is nothing but after 2 years.
Riya is 21.
Riya is 21. Okay. Pooja 2 years hence is equals to Riya 1 year ago. Right. 1 year ago. Now 18 2 years hence. Yes. 18 plus 2 will give the result as 20 is equals to R minus 1. Riya is equals to 21 years. Now what he is asking? Difference between Riya and Shruti. Yes. What is the difference here?
3 years. Option B.
Answer
3
is
years.
option B. Yes, excellent. Yes, is this clear? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What about others? Yes. What about others?
Clear.
Excellent. Moving forward to question number 9. What is the answer for this question? What does it mean by average?
Mean
Yes.
of both the ages.
Okay. What about others? Yes. What about others? If we went to the movie, we can say how was the movie if your friend asked. You people will say the movie is average. If the movie is average, right? But you people are didn't calculated how many number of fights plus number of scenes and number of songs. You didn't calculate it, right? But you people will say average. How it is possible? Yes.
Ma'am, but
How it is?
movie ratings based on the quality, not the quantity.
Okay, quality, not about quantity. Okay. Yes. What about others? Okay. What is the answer for this question?
Option A, 28.5.
Intelligent. Yes. What about others?
$28.5.
Great. Yes. Average is given. Here, average age of Vijay and Pavi is 24 years. Average is given, that is 24 years. And how many people are there? Vijay and Pavi, 2 people are there. Now, what about sum of their ages? Can anyone? Sum of their
P
ages?
plus P.
Yes. Okay.
Sum of the ages is 48.
Okay. Yes. V plus P is equals to 24 into 2 will give the result as 48. Right? Sum of their ages are 48. Now, if new person is joined, that is Uma, is included, the average is increases by 1.5 years. Yes, initially 24 years. One new person is joined, that person is Uma. Uma plus Vijay plus Pavi is equals to average is increased by 1.5. How much? What is the total average here after
25.5.
25.5.
excellent 25.5 is the average. Now what about sum of their ages?
76.5.
76.
76.5. What about sum of their ages? 25.5 into 3 will give the result 86.5. Yes. Now here Vijay and Pavi is given, that is 48. Now Uma plus 48 is equals to 76.5. Now what about age of Uma? Yes, what is the age of Uma?
28.5.
Great. 76.5 minus 48, it will give the result as 28.5. Answer is 28.5. Yes. Is this clear?
Ma'am, can you please
Yes.
explain again?
Yes, yes. Average is nothing but sum of observations divided by number of observations. Average, sum of observations divided by number of observations. Now here average given. Average age of Vijay and Pavi is 24 years. Average is 24. Now how many persons are there? Vijay and Pavi, 2 persons are there. Here 2 persons. Now what about sum of their ages? Cross multiplication. Sum of their ages is equals to 24 into 2 will give the result as 48. This is talking about Vijay and Pavi. Now similarly, new person Uma is included. The average is increases by 1.5 years. Yes. How many persons are there now? Can anyone? How many persons are there? If Uma is joined?
3.
3. Excellent. Vijay, Pavi and Uma. 3 persons are there. And average is increases by 1.5 years. Initially 24 years is the average. Now it is increased to 1.5. What is the total average here?
76.5.
Okay. Yes. The average is 24 plus 1.5 will give the result as 25.5. Yes, excellent. Now, what about sum of their ages? Sum of their ages, that is nothing but Uma and Vijay and Pavi. What about sum of their ages? Cross multiplication. 25.5 into 3 will give the result as 76.5. Yes. Here already I have calculated Vijay and Pavi sum of their ages. That is 48. Now Vijay and Pavi is 48. Let's assume equation number 1 and this is about equation number 2. Now Vijay and Pavi is 48. What about Uma's present age?
28.5.
28.5. Yes. Uma is equals to 76.5 minus 48. It will give the result as 28.5. Answer is option A. 28.5. Yes. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes. Great. What about PSM method here? Yes, PSM method. Here, initially, how many persons are there? 2 persons are there, Vijay and Pavi. Please pay your attention. How many persons are there? 2 persons are there, Vijay and Pavi. 2 persons, what is the average? 24 years. Now, 1 person is joined, Uma. 1 person is joined. How many persons are now? 3 persons. Now, what is the average? 1.5 years increases. Multiply 1.5. What is 3 into 1.5? 4.5? Yes, 3 into 1.5, 4.5. Now what he's asking, what is the age of Uma? What is the age of Uma? 24 plus 1, 4.5, 28.5. Answer is option A. Yes. Is this clear? Yes. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. What about others? Yes. What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Moving forward to next question. Can I go? Okay, 3:35. What is the answer for this question? Yes. 30 seconds are enough for this question.
Option B.
Great. 40. Great. Yes. What about others? Peter age is, yes. Peter age is 2 by 5 times of father. Can I say father is must be the multiple of 5? Yes. Can I write P by F is equals to 2 by 5? Peter is 2 and father is 5. What is the age of father at present? Father is must be the multiple of 5. I can eliminate option C. Right. Now, if father age is 50 years, now what about Peter age? Can anyone? Yes.
20.
20. Excellent. Peter is 2 by 5 times of father. Right. If father age is 50 years, 5 times, this is about 20. Now what about 8 years? After 8 years, plus 8 and here plus 8. 58 and this is about 28. Now after 8 years, his age will be 1 by 2 of his father. Means half of the father. Is this possible? Half of the father? Peter is 1 by 2 times of father. Half of
No,
the
ma'am.
father. No. I can eliminate option A. Yes, yes. Attendance I have shared in the chat box. Yes. What about option B? Option B, that is 40 years. Right. Now let assume present age of father is 40 years. Now what about Peter's age? Yes. What about Peter's age?
16.
16. Excellent. 2 by 5 into 40 will give the result as 16. Now after 8 years plus 8, and here both will increase 8 years. 48. What is 16 plus 8? 24. Now what he's saying, half of the father. Yes, Peter is half of the father. Yes, father is 48 and Peter is 24, half of the father. Can I fix my answer as option B? Yes. Is this clear? Excellent. What about others? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Yes. If you people have any queries, please ask me. Yes. Please ask me. And no queries. Okay. I have shared that attendance link in chat box. Please fill that attendance form. And once done with the attendance form, thank you for attending the session. Please do practice.